In this video, I'll show you how to factory reset your Westinghouse TV. If you're watching this video, I expect you to have a problem with your TV. I'll show with you a quick solution before trying to factory reset your TV. This won't erase anything. Turn your TV off and unplug it from the wall socket. Now, depending on the model you have, you may have a power button on the back or one on the front under the TV. If you don't find one, don't worry, just skip this step. But if you found one, keep it pressed during 30 seconds. Then you have to wait a full minute. If your TV didn't have a button, just wait 1 minute. And then you can safely replug your TV into the wall socket. If this didn't work, I'll show you a few methods that you can factory reset your TV. Not all TVs have a reset button on the back, but if yours has one, turn on your TV and keep the reset button pressed during 30 seconds. If yours don't have such a button, the second solution is to follow the steps that are on the screen. You can pause the video and take your time. I really hope this will solve your problem. Please leave a comment down below if you have other solutions. And don't forget to subscribe and leave a like to this video. It's really helpful. See you in the next one.